In this section, we're going to be looking at the rearrangement of formulae. Solving equations is an example of rearranging formulae. We take the equation and we rearrange until we get x equals. So we're going to start looking at rearranging formulae by solving the equations given below. Let's start by solving 3x plus 2 equals 11. What this means is we're going to rearrange it until we get x equals a number. So starting with 3x plus 2 equals 11, let's subtract 2 from both sides. Subtracting from the left-hand side just leaves us with the 3x. If we subtract from the right-hand side, 11 take 2 is 9. Remember, we must do the same thing to both sides. We can now divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 is x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Let's look at a couple of ways that we could approach this one. We have 3, open bracket, x plus 1, is equal to 18. We could start by expanding the bracket. 3x plus 3 is equal to 18. Subtract 3 from both sides. We get 3x is 18 take away 3, which is 15. Divide both sides by 3 gives us x is equal to 5. We could have approached this differently. Starting with 3, open bracket x plus 1 is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 3 now, gives x plus 1 on the left and 6 on the right. Now subtract 1 from both sides, gives x is equal to 5. Note that we get the same answer. Here we have 2 divided by x is equal to 8. I'm going to start by multiplying both sides by x. I have 2 over x multiplied by x, which I can write as x over 1, is equal to 8 times x. Note how I've done the same thing to both sides of the equation. X goes into x once, so we cancel down. Multiplying the fractions, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1, which leaves us with 2. This is equal to 8x. Since these are equal, I can just change sides and write 8x equals 2. It doesn't matter which thing is on the left and which is on the right. Now divide both sides by 8. This side gives me x. Here I get 2 divided by 8, and this cancels down to 1/4.